Good afternoon, dear friends. Today I will show you a strategy called Master Band strategy. This trading strategy works perfectly in the middle of the New York session. This is around 3-4 hours UTC plus 0. So to trade on the strategy you need to add two indicators to your chart. These are the Bollinger Bands indicator and the moving average indicator. And configure these two indicators. The settings will be in the description on the video. Next you need to set the time to open trades in 2 minutes. And also the price at which you will open transaction. I set one average from 1 to 5%, observing risk management. I don't recommend settings more than 10% because you can lose everything with one unfavorable day. So let's understand the essence of trading on this strategy. When the price moves from the lower body of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crosses the moving average line, we will always have in the middle, then we open a deal at the moment of crossing for 2 minutes. In this case, we open a position for an increase, because the price moved from the lower body of the Bollinger Bands indicator cross the line of the moving average indicator from the bottom up, and here we will open a deal for an increase of 2 minutes and get a profit. The same thing is on the contrary when the price moves from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crosses the moving average line of the moving average indicator from top to bottom. We open a deal for a decrease at the moment of crossing, also for 2 minutes, and also get a profit. Let's check how effective the strategy works. I'm starting a trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to enter a position. Go! So, we have a great opportunity here to open a position. We see that the price moved from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crossed the moving average indicator line from the top to bottom. This is a sell signal, so here I opened a 2-minute down trade. We are waiting for the end of this transaction. Unfortunately, in the last seconds, our first transaction went into negative. But it's okay. I'll use the martingale system and increase the price of the next transaction by 2 times to recover this negative transaction, as well as earn more. Well, it's a shame, of course, but it's okay, we look further. So, here I see a great opportunity to open a position for a fall. As you can see, the moving average line was crossed from top to bottom after the price hit the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator and pushed on from it. This is a great opportunity to open a short position, which I did. We are waiting for the end of this transaction. Great! Our second transaction went into the plus, thanks to which we recapped the first negative transaction and also earned on top. It's all thanks to the martingale system. Use it and often you will pay off your disadvantages. Well, let's look further. So here I will open a position for an increase, as I see a good reaction from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Yes, we have not reached 1-2 points, but this we can be ignored. After that, we cross the moving average line from the bottom to top. It was a buy signal, so here I see a great opportunity to open a position for an increase. We are now waiting for the end of this transaction. Great! Another one of our deals went into the plus and $41 was added to our deposit. Wonderful! Well, let's look further. So Here I also see a great opportunity to open a position. As you can see, the price moved from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator to the moving average line and crossed it from top to bottom, and crossed it with a razor strong movement. This is a good sell signal, so we are waiting for the end of this deal. Great! Another one of our deals has also gone into the plus. As you can see, the strong trend and downward movement continued after the opening of the position, thanks to which we received a profitable deal. Well, let's look further. So, here I saw a great opportunity to open a position. As you can see, all the signals indicated that it was necessary to open a position for a decrease here, which I did. Now we are waiting for the end of this deal. Super! Our first deal has also gone into the plus. Well, today's trading session is over. And I will sum up the results for today. Today our win rate is 80% because we have 4 profitable trades and 1 negative one. But if we take into account that we worked on the martingale system, that is after a negative transaction, I increased the transaction price by 2 times, recapped the negative transaction and also earned, then I believe that the win rate can be said to be even higher than 80% relation to the profit on our deposit. Well, I recommend trading on the strategy in the middle of New York. That is somewhere from about 3 to 5 p.m. UTC plus 0. At this time, the strategy showed the best win rate. We have seen this today. Well, set the same indicator settings as I did. The settings will be in the description of the video. Observe risk management and adhere to this trading strategy, and the growth of your deposit will not keep you waiting. Thank you all for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.